Now, for those of you who like planting up hanging baskets, and they're great fun to do and they look marvellous outside the house, the only problem is sometimes it's very, very difficult to properly water it all the way through, and if it dries out over the weekend, some of the plants will die. Sometimes, of course, when they have dried and you try to re-wet them, what happens is the water just sort of like just hits the surface and comes off at the sides. Here's a tip. Get hold of a bottle. There are many different sizes, and it's really in relation to the size of the hanging basket you've got. And I spike a load of holes all the way around the outside, just small holes, enough for water to gently seep out. And then I actually plant that in the hanging basket. Now, you may want to do more than one if you wish. Some people plant it in the centre. I plant mine to the side so I can just reach up and put the hose pipe in so it waters all the way through. So I water the basket and I fill the bottle too, and it really gives the water right into the heart of the hanging basket.